Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to like a post on Threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to like a post on Threads. Maybe your favorite celebrity posted something and you want to appreciate it by liking the post. Or maybe you found it something very much interesting or educational, so you want to like it. Or maybe your friend posted a thread or a picture of him or her, so you want to like it because it's your friend. Or it could be any other reason for you to like a post or a thread on Threads. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure is that you have already installed a Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have linked your Instagram account with your Threads account, and also your account is logged in on your device. After that, once all these things are done, you just have to simply click on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once this app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how this app looks. We have a lot of threads here because we are now in home section, this one. So here we get a lot of threads. If you go to this option, this one is for explore, you where you get different kind of things and media, and with the help of this third option you can create or post a thread. And with the help of this option you can check for your notifications and alerts, and this option is for your profile. If you want to go to profile, you go from here. So now if you want to like a post, first you have to find that post that you want to like. You can either find post on your home page like this, or you can go to the explore section where you can find post and then you can like it. It's all up to you. But let's say we found this post and it is very interesting, very creative thing, and I really like it. So what you could do is that you can either like it with the help of this option like this and it get liked. Otherwise, if something is written like this, once you click on it, you read this thread, you like it, and now if you want to like it, you have to click on this option. And if you ever want to like the comment or the reply, you can also do that. You just have to simply click on that heart option, and that heart color will get red. That means you have liked a post. You can like as many posts as you want. There's no limitation to it or no restriction. It's all up to you. Whatever you find it interesting or knowledgeable, you can like it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can like post on thread. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you so much for watching the video.